So you're looking for ways to earn money online as a student. And in this video, I'm going to show you the copy and paste system that I used when I was a student that helped me triple my monthly income. Yes, you heard me right. Triple my monthly income. And I was able to leave that part-time job that I was working as a student. And I was making around $3,000 per month by the second month that I was following this system. So you want to stay for this whole entire video. Otherwise, you're going to miss an important step and it's not going to work for you. We're going to be using what I call the LAP system. Now, before we get into it, if you are new here, welcome in. My name is Jay Askew. I'm your six-figure digital product coach. The LAP system stands for learning a system, taking action on that system, and you'll be able to make profit. Here's a clear example. Since you're in school, we're going to take college and use the system that they use to turn someone who's just interested in college to actually paying for college. I'm going to copy and paste that same system for your own life using just your phone, your laptop, and your own knowledge. So the first step that college does in their process to turning someone who's just interested into paying tens and thousands of dollars is the marketing. If you don't have marketing, you don't have anything. If you don't have marketing, people don't know about you. Okay? And the way college, or one of the ways that college lets you know, hey, this is a great college. Hey, we have this program. Hey, you can graduate in 2.5 years or 4 years. Hey, we have all these degrees and we have all these things around. You can stay on campus. We have this type of food, whatever. It's all marketing, right? So one of the ways that college markets is TV. But for you as a student, what you want to do is you want to market on social media. Here's the clear difference. TV, you got to pay for. Social media, you don't. Does that make sense? You're not going to do paid ads on social media. You're just going to upload content to help people solve a problem. Now, I want to stop right there because honestly, that should be enough for you to understand I got to use social media as a tool. And if you don't use it to your advantage, then you're just not going to make money online. It's going to be pretty hard for you to do that, especially as a student. And that's exactly why I have a live class to teach you for free how to get freedom by making your first digital product sale by uploading content on social media, even if you've never made money online before. You can find the class in the description down below or pinned in the comment section down below. So the second thing that we're going to use out of the college system to convert someone who's just interested into someone who is actually going to pay tens and thousands of dollars for college is the converting system, right? And see, what college does is they give you information, and the way you get those information is taking online classes or in-person classes. But for you, obviously, you don't own a campus, you don't have a classroom, you're a student, and you have a phone, laptop, and Wi-Fi and your own knowledge. What we're going to do is create something called a digital product. A digital product can be something like an ebook, a course, or an online community. Something that helps someone solve a problem that's online. It's easy for you to create because we're in the day and age of AI, and you can package it up right on the device that you're watching me on right now, or just using your laptop. So if you want to learn how to make your first sale with digital products and get freedom with it, meaning that you'll be able to make money online without trading your time for money, I got a free class linked down below, and you should join because, well, it's free and it's live. So you'll be able to actually learn from me. So the third step that we're going to use and steal from college is the outcome, right? Because nobody's going to pay you, or you're not going to make money online without someone knowing that they could get an outcome. Put emphasis on could, because college never promises that you'll get a better job or you'll make more money. They just promise that you'll get your degree. Okay, you'll get your degree. You pass the classes, you come here for 4 years, or you repeat some classes if you got to stay longer, but you'll get your degree. They don't say you're guaranteed to make this much. And if you ever were convinced that, then I'm sorry, but somebody lied to you and it's not your fault. Because I have plenty of friends who went to college who never had like job guarantees, don't make the money they thought they'd be making. And it's because they didn't realize that college guaranteed the degree, a sheet of paper, not how much money you'd make. And so with that being said, the outcome for you posting on social media with your own knowledge, having a digital product that helps someone solve a problem that you're knowledgeable or passionate about, the outcome is going to be this P word right here, progress. They'll get progress. There's too many people out here on the internet claiming that, hey, you'll make $1 million if you follow this system. Well, truth be told, everybody has a different path, even if they follow a path. How many times have you followed someone's directions and you got a little bit of a different result than them? Okay, so you want to promise progress with your digital product. Just like how I said my live class is free and I'll show you how to get freedom. I didn't say you are guaranteed to get freedom. I'm showing you how to get freedom by making your first digital product sale by uploading content online. I didn't declare or promise that you'll get freedom because it's all off of your work ethic. Just like how college is, it's like, hey, you can get the degree, but you've got to do the work. You've got to study. You've got to pass the classes. You've got to keep your GPA up. Do you understand? But this is the way that you're going to make money online. Is creating digital products that help people solve a problem. And the way you promote it is by uploading content on social media. And so it's really easy for you to get started because you've already got a phone, you already got a laptop, you already got Wi-Fi, and you already have the knowledge that's needed in order for you to make money online because people are going to want to buy your solution through a digital product format. An ebook, an audiobook, a course, an online community, very simple to create. You just need to know the systems in order for you to get someone who knows they need a problem solved to actually saying, let me buy his or her ebook. Let me buy his or her course. Let me join this community because I know I need help in this area. And you don't have to be some type of guru. I made over 6 figures teaching people, college kids, how to lose weight and build muscle. And I've never been a certified coach. I didn't even know how to use CPR, man. You understand? So like it's easy. But it's only easy if you're following the right systems. That's why I have my live class to show you how to get freedom by making your first digital product sale by uploading content online. I will see you in the next video. I'm out. Peace.